Kailan sasabihin hospital lang at kailan sasabihin the hospital, school, the school, prison, the prison. Tandaan nyo ganito, kapag ikaw yung na-hospital, ikaw yung may sakit, ikaw yung na-admit, hospital lang. Pero pag bisita ka lang sa hospital, the hospital. Halimbawa, I had an accident and went to hospital. Walang the. Pero my friends went to the hospital to visit me. The hospital, bisita lang sila dun. Same idea. Kapag ikaw yung learner sa school, enrolled ka dun sa school, nag-aaral ka sa school, school lang. Halimbawa, I learn English in school. Pero, my mom went to the school yesterday. Ibig sabihin, hindi naman enrolled yung mama mo dun, pinatawag lang siguro siya sa guidance or ng teacher mo. In short, bisita lang siya dun. Ganon din sa prison. Kung ikaw mismo yung nakakulong, or ikaw yung prisoner, prison lang. Pero kung bisita ka lang dun sa prison, the prison. Halimbawa, I, a man and went to prison. Ibig sabihin,